Hello students, welcome back. Students, today we are going to solve exercise 3.2 in that question number 1 and also the introduction part of exercise 3.2. In introduction part we have only 2 points to discuss. First of all, the sum of the exterior angles of any polygon. If it is polygon, then their exterior angles sum will be 360 degree, whether if it is a regular polygon or not a regular polygon. Second thing is for regular polygon we are talking about. In that, first point is total number of sides in a regular polygon is always equal to the total number of exterior angles. Suppose this is a polygon, it is having 3 sides, 1, 2, 3. Its exterior angle is 1, 2 and 3. So number of sides in regular polygon is equal to number of exterior angles. And the two formulas, in second point we are having two formulas which will be useful for solving exercise 3.2. One is, if the question is find the number of sides and they have given you one of the angles of exterior angle, but let me clear you, it must be of regular polygon only. If the question is of regular polygon and if they tell you to find the number of sides, then the formula is 360 degree, the total sum of the exterior angle divided by each exterior angle, one of the angle they have given you, that you have to put. Second formula is, if a regular polygon, you know the number of sides, if it is a triangle, regular triangle, regular quadrilateral, regular pentagon, you know the number of sides. So if they tell you to find the exterior angle, each exterior angle, then what you will do? You will divide 360 by number of sides. So this is for introduction lecture. Now let us start question number 1. Question number 1 says find x in the following figure. I have not written here. Find x in the following figure. They have two parts, A and B. B I will solve later. First part A, we have to find x, and just now I have told you that sum of the exterior angles of any polygon is equal to 360 degree. So we will write, we know that the sum of exterior angles of a polygon is equal to 360 degree. Therefore, x plus 125 degree plus 125 degree is equal to 360 degree. Therefore, x plus 125 plus 125 is 250 is equal to 360 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 360 degree minus 250 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 110 degree. It was easy, right? Here we have, they wanted from us the value of x and we have given them. Now let us solve question number B, but for that let me first draw the figure. So I have drawn the figure B. Let us see what the figure says. First of all, the number of sides in figures is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 sides. In figure here they have not given any degree, but whenever there is something like this, it is 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. And we have to find the value of x. X is in the exterior. We have been given 1, 2, 3, fourth exterior angle they have not given, and fifth exterior angle they have not given. If this angle they have given us, we can easily find out. But not to worry, We can find out by linear pair also. We can subtract 90 from 180 so that we can get this angle. So how will we start? We will write here the given figure have 5 sides, therefore it is a pentagon. Therefore let the pentagon be A, B, C, D and E. A, B, C, D, E. Now let me give this angle as 1. Now angle 1 plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree, right? Why? Because linear pair angle. If a line is standing and you have the two angles on it, you will find the sum of it is 180 degree. Therefore angle 1 is equal to 180 degree. This 90, if it goes that side, it will become 90 degree. So angle 1 is equal to 90 degree. The one which we wanted is ready now. Now we will write measure of angle 1 plus 60 degree plus 90 degree plus 70 degree plus x 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is equal to 360 degree. After this you will write like this. And what is 1? 1 is also 90 degree. Therefore x plus 90 plus 90 is 180, 180 plus 60 is 240, 240 plus 70 is 310 degree is equal to 360 degree. Therefore x is equal to 360 degree. This plus we have taken here, so it will become minus. Therefore x is equal to 50 degree. Very easy, right? Hope you have understood the introductory part and the question number 1 of exercise 3.2. If not, please go through it once more so that you can understand properly. Also, if you have any doubt, you can contact me in my WhatsApp number. We will meet with question number 2 in new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.